Today's progress report day. Let's go see how we make the grade. Water's done, sewer's done, electricity's done. Now it's time to close up shop. Originally, the sewer and water lines came down this wall right here from the upstairs condo, so we just tied those into ours. Typically, a sewer is ran in 2-inch for 2 kitchen sinks, but we actually ran it in 3-inch, so this bad boy will never plug up. As you can see here, all the drywall's been repaired, all the concrete's been repaired. We had a bunch of really ugly lights in here and they just didn't flow. So we took them all out, and we put a couple cans in and squared them up. So it's actually a lot brighter, but also aesthetically pleasing. You'll notice the sewer right here comes around here and it comes this way, and it's gonna go back and it's gonna pick up the 2 bathrooms that are back to back. But what we did is we blew this wall out so that we could put a stack washer and dryer in for them. After we blew this wall out, that's when we get to add all the cool extra things. So we've added a couple outlets that we didn't have before. We extended the AC ductwork out, and then we also have enough space over here for the trim and the crown molding. So when we're all done, this thing's gonna look pretty awesome.